Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down actually to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it's 1 hour and 14 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So basically we can check some further details by tapping inside this graph. We will be transferred to the dashboard where we can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, of course, if you've got more data. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And under it, you've got the list of apps which we've been using with a specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So, for example, settings, themes, Play Store, whichever app you've got here, simply tap on it. And again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the screen, you can check the ways to disconnect. So we've got app limits, for example. As you can see here, we've got the list of apps with this hourglass icon next to it, which means that let's pretend I'm spending too much time on the camera. So just find the camera, tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can set the app limit. So for example, if I will set it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes, it means that I'm able to use the camera only for 1 hour and 30 minutes a day. As you can see, it will the app limit will reset at midnight, but basically your device will try to stop you from using the app for too long. Yes, and basically this is how it works. Or you can set it on 0 hours and also 0 minutes, like that, confirm it with OK. And now you can see that this camera icon is grayed out actually, and it means that we cannot use it at all during that day because we've got a 0 hours and 0 minutes timer set. Of course, we can turn it off. That's really easy, and that's not a problem. But still, it is a way to just stop us from using the app. We've got also something like focus mode. So, for example, if you feel that you've got a lot of notifications from apps which are distracting you, for example, some kind of social media or whatever, you can mark them here. Just find them in the list, mark them, then set a schedule. So you can choose specific days of the week, you can choose specific hours, and tap on set. And now your device will basically hide the notifications during set schedule. So for example, you will have time to work, you will not be disturbed, or to sleep, or spend time with your family, or rest, or whatever reason you'd like to apply here. It's worth using the focus mode. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.